browns for my omelet.
Okay.
Am I giving instructions on this too?
Sure.
Okay, so you're gonna like pour in your olive oil.
I don't know what's funny. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you make sure it looks like that, to the point where baby gets mad.
Oh. Not mad, but
Well, yeah, shocked.
okay.
And then you might want to like wait a minute.
Oh.
So then the oil heats up.
Okay, good.
So, how are you today?
Good. There we
You
go.
want to see?
Oh, well, we've seen hash browns before.
No, you haven't.
Okay, so what do you have in there?
It's olive oil.
Okay, is it warm?
Yeah. And then you're pouring your hash brown. And you stand away from it because sometimes it doesn't like you and it wants to spray you with your cream. I'm laughing at myself.
Are you done?
Yeah, and then you need to put your hash brown in the fridge.
Alright.
And then you make it even, so it's just like one on one, I guess. Whatever it's
A
called.
thin layer?
Yeah.
Okay. And you just cook them for like how many minutes?
Like 5. And
Till
then you
they're
go like this.
golden brown?
Uh-huh.
Oh, a little salt.
Mhm.
Oh.
Hi. What? You told me that.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Oh. Okay, so a few minutes till they're golden brown?
Yeah.
Alright, sounds good. We'll see you for the egg part.
But you're going to need like a cup. It doesn't
Okay.
matter.
Okay.
I want to use this because it's fancy.
Oh, alright.
And then you're going to need some eggs and a fork. Oh no, we forgot the milk.
Okay.
And milk or half and half. Or unsweetened milk because that's what BB said. Okay, so you do, I'll throw that away later.
Okay.
I did 2 eggs. You can do 3 if you want to.
Oh, I've seen you do 3.
I can eat 3.
Oh.
Can I have a toe?
Sure. You have giggles.
This is my first time being on a cooking channel. And then you're going to add in some milk. You know, just a little bit.
Okay. A little bit of milk.
And then you mix it.
Okay. Are we going to tend to the hash browns now?
Yes.
Alright.
I'm not...
How are they doing?
They're doing good.
Is that how you like them, or you cook them a little bit more?
I think I'm going to stop.
Okay.
And by the way, your pan will be very, very hot. So your omelet will cook very, very fast.
Okay.
I don't have any here, but... Brooke's day. Not mine. Okay. So you make sure not to get... Oh.
Uh-oh.
Whatever.
What happens?
So you make sure not to get like any grease on your plate. It's okay if a little bit gets in there. But yeah. I fixed my hair. You're
Okay.
making
Oh,
me
so you
laugh.
dump that out. You dump out the extra oil. All right.
And then you
That's
bring
smart.
it over here.
Nice waste of my olive oil.
Well, it's going to a good cause.
Oh, you got all the right answers, Kelly.
And then you start your heat back up again. But this time you keep it on medium.
Oh, okay.
And
What
then-
do you leave all those little lazy bits left?
I don't know. Well, it doesn't really matter to me, but it's gonna
It won't
go
mess
in
up
there
your
anyway.
omelet?
No. Well,
Okay.
actually, you're putting ideas in my head. I'm gonna move it.
Oh, just thought it made sense. Oh, just flick it on the counter.
It's a snack.
Okay, what'd you do?
You're making me laugh. And and then you spray the pan.
I think you're making yourself laugh.
No, well, you were literally laughing. And then I like pour it in.
Okay. So it's all in one big layer.
Wait, look at me. I'm putting things in the dishwasher.
Oh, those are clean, dude.
Go.
Jeez Louise.
Ow!
I stepped on you and I said
Okay,
ow.
and then you send it over here because you have a snack.
But what do you do with this?
You wait for it to be done.
Oh.
Okay, and so this is my trick. You see this right here? It'll look a little more pale. And then this is a little yellower.
Mm-hmm. So you don't swirl it around or anything?
What does that mean?
Like a lot of times they say to go like this and bring your extra liquid around the pan.
I mean, you could, but I don't.
Oh, well, I don't want to jack up your deal.
I need the other stick.
Stop eating food off the counter.
That's your birthday, girl.
Hey, Kate.
What are you guys doing?
We're making a cooking video.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's so cute.
Nice to see you.
Hi.
All right. So,
You might want to wait a little bit. What I do is I just like stick it over there where it's not cooked.
oh, that's a good idea.
And here's my little trick that I was talking about.
And
Okay, I feel like this doesn't work anymore. You get your cheese. This is important. Okay. Just prepare that.
I see what you're saying about the trick, though.
Yeah.
I think it's ready for your
Really?
ingredients.
I thought you said ingredients.
What?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, you need to go to school.
Well, I'm almost done
Alright,
with school
so-
actually. So then you put it on the side.
Alright.
And then, yeah, you gotta spread it around everywhere.
Okay.
Sometimes you just gotta touch it.
Okay.
And then you might want to leave some room for it to fold over. And then you add cheese. I like a lot of cheese.
Yeah, I know that.
That's good.
Okay.
And then you scoop it under. Hold on. Okay, so like what I do when I flip it over is I go like this. So make sure that this is like really under there, and then you flip.
Oh, wow. You did that.
Yeah.
Eat it?
Uh-huh. I just go like this. There you go.
Holy moly.
I'm gonna eat all that.
Oh, shit, that's hot.
Oh, BB.
Sorry.
Kids are going to be watching this.
I didn't say anything bad.
Hmm. You're going to Katie, and it's Katie's birthday.
All right. You done?